Hello everyone. Today, let me introduce you a new slimming machine, the frozen body shaping instrument. It reduces fat cells through non-invasive advanced technology or controlled cooling energy. It delivers a strong cooling power to the treatment site to make the fat cells crystallize and then achieve fat cell apoptotic. The treated fat cells will die and naturally fall off the body. It is recommended you have one treatment every 20 to 30 days. And 5 treatments are one course. First, let me show you all the components of the instrument. This is the main body. There are 4 different shaping gels for different treatment sizes of our body. For arms, for thigh, for abdomen, for waist, and other curved parts of our body. And here are some packs of anti-freeze mask. One pack contains 1 piece. It is disposable. It means 1 piece can be used only for one time. Never reuse it. Here are some yellow filter cotton. 1 filter cotton can be reused 3 to 5 times, but each time after it is used, it must be washed and dried. This is the shoulder strap. You can connect it to the silver circle on the back of the instrument. And then we connect the shoulder strap. And now it's okay. This is the power adapter. We can connect it to the power supply. And the other end to the instrument. When it sounds dee, it means something goes wrong. Please look at the screen. A1 appears here. It means the anti-freeze mask has not been installed yet. If A2 appears, it means the yellow filter cotton is wet inside, and you need to replace it with a dry one. Now let's pull out the power wire, and I will show you how to install and how to operate the instrument. First of all, please make sure the dry yellow filter cotton is inside under the sensor cover, and then press the sensor cover down. Next, let's choose proper shaping gel for the treatment. Suppose I'm going to treat abdomen. I choose this one. Please match the hole to the mouth of the instrument and press it all the way in. Please make sure there is no gap between. It's okay. Now it's time to install anti-freeze mask. Take a pack of anti-mask and open it. And take out a piece of anti-freeze mask. Apply some essence to the whole surface of the shaping gel. The center line of the anti-freeze mask must be parallel to the shaper, and then press it in. Both ends of the anti-freeze mask must be pushed into the silicone of the shaper, and then it is necessary to press the mask to make sure it is close attached to the cooling plate. Now it's time to show you how to operate the instrument. Let's connect it to the power supply. We can see several lines of words appearing on the screen. The first line shows us time of treatment. Now it is set 60 minutes. As long as the arrow points to it, we can adjust the number larger with the plus button. And we can adjust it smaller with the minus button. But in order to get the best effect, we'd better set it 60 minutes. Now, let's move the arrow down to the second row. Set temperature. It means the refrigeration temperature of the instrument. It is suggested that we set it 5 or 6 degrees. Now the third line, set vacuum, which means the suction power of the instrument. We can start it with 3. And then the fourth line, working state. We can control it on or off with the button start or stop. The last 2 lines shows us the exact temperature of the instrument. Okay, now let's turn on the instrument. Before we place it to the treatment site, we can let it go on 2 minutes to get the best effect. But during these 2 minutes, never place the instrument lie down on the table like this, or let something from the wind blowing out from the hole, because it may affect the frozen effect. You can put something under the instrument and put it in this way. And now, 2 minutes later, we can apply some remaining essence to the treatment place. Later, and it's time to place the instrument onto the treatment site. But before it, we'd better place some remaining essence onto the treatment site. And then put the instrument onto it. The curer can hang the instrument on the shoulder. At the same time, actually, you can have other instruments placed on the other treatment site. Please remember, never place the instrument cover the belly space. If you feel the suction power is too strong, you can adjust it to 2. Treatment time is over now. Let's pour out the power wire. Take out the anti-freeze mask. And then clean the cooling plate and the shaper. Pour out the shaping gel. Clean the whole of it. And please remember, the instrument must be placed upright. That's all for today's introduction of the operation of the frozen body shaping instrument. For more details, please refer to the instructions. Thank you so much for listening.